Hello friends, welcome to Arshil Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see uh, about a recent fall on Monday, that is 29 2021. Why? So friends, Friday it will be profit booking. Okay, I too guess that profit booking, and today I too guess the market will fall, but why it fall? So I want to share with you friends. So present what you are seeing on screen is a Chinese real estate company could default on a $300 billion debit. So the company name is Evergrande. So see here, Evergrande collapses could have a domino effect on Chinese property sector. So with this exposure, commodity sector also sees some pressure uh, today in equities. So as usual, in Indian equities also today you seen a big sell off in metal sector. Tata Steel 10%, so Zindal 7 to 8%, so Hindalco 6%, Hind Copper also 6%. So major commodities hit very lower circuits itself. Tata Steel near lower circuit. So this is how steel sector will be. I previously also mentioned to our friends about steel sector. So why I didn't suggest, not suggest, recommend anything. So we didn't use these type of languages in YouTube channels. So why my interest is not on steel sector because of these reasons. So if you see here, in market begin right early in the same as being wrong fortunately for FT. So here back in 2018, Evergrande, Chinese largest property developer. So see, it's not a small company defaulting, it's a Chinese largest property developer went for a uh, like uh, uh, a big size of 4 lakh car parking space and a land bank size of Malta and a curious low yield on its rental properties, so which is a very big one. So but this company today went for a what you called bankrupt of $300 billion outstanding obligations to pay. So it's like a crunch time. So see here, and it's a crunch time. So two interest payments on its long suffering bonds are due on Thursday. So that means last week Thursday. So due to that, if you see here, property developer bond prices so sharply fell. So you can expect little concerns about these things. And but why commodities? Well, the obvious answer is that real estate tend to use a lot of them, whether it's steel for the structure or copper for wiring. So as you all know, like we are keen interested on copper side due to EV development and electrical expansion also going on, renewable energy expansions in that area, and EV charging station expansion also going on. So we are bit positive on a copper side. So with that in mind, you might be wondered about just what level of exposure to the business digging stuff out of the ground where we are talking about there. So this is what they meant is, so if real estate is not that much well, how can you expect like steel shares are going to steel stocks are going to perform well in this quarter? So that's how they are looking. So when I seen like bearish commodities, whenever China announced that they are going to slow down their steel production, I thought something wrong in Chinese view. Why? Because I previously itself mentioned that every country thought of where the COVID started, China. So the economic slowdown will go down in China automatically because of black slash. So as you all know, but it is interrelated, and how India economy is also affecting, because US and China, these are the two biggest economies in the world, and they are inter dependent. How means like China invest in USA and USA invest in China. So this is how they are interdependent in bond markets and equity markets. If you observe here, United Nations 24%, China 15%. So if you see 56 rows more, we are we are at 5. So see here. So we are at 5. So what happens here means we mainly depend on these two countries also. So as per business and as per trades. So one thing which we are going to see here is United States bonds will be in China, China bonds and the equities in United States. These United States invested in India. So China also invested in India, but due to some sudden what you call sudden interference with China and India, India taken some measures to control Chinese investment in India. But what are the past investments in India by China? They are still going on. So here, if China sees a crisis, they sell on United States equity and bond markets. Here, what you got means, so to stable United States markets and everything, they sold their money and their bonds wherever they invest, Japan or Germany or India, any country. So like this we will get a global selling. So that is the main reason for Nifty today's selling. So here, so we taken like a 17,381 support level, and another one is like 13,700. So if two these supports will break, we can expect that Nifty will going to see this low, which is like 17,220. So high that one, so low is 17,776. So 17,725. So this is another support. So if 17,220 will break, we are going to see 17,000. So these are the two supports we have going forward. One is 17,315. Another one is 17,225. So this is the reason mainly like panic selling across the global due to this bankrupt by a real estate company in China. So thank you friends, thank you very much.